recently found a YouTube channel that is growing and making $90,000 per month, and what I discovered really shocked me. Let me show you exactly what this channel does. Nearly 1 billion views in total. Their videos are still getting millions of views every time they post something. It's not just a fluke. If you want to compare it to dropshipping in 2021, it's not comparable at all. YouTube is growing in 2025, and now the best part is, this is actually the easiest way to make money right now. But this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you're not ready to get serious, this is not the path for you. But if you're really serious, what I'm about to show you will be a game changer. I spent 48 hours researching every detail of this channel, from the content strategy to the execution of the videos to the growth tactics, and everything I found proves that this is one of the best opportunities to get started right now. And the most interesting part is that while most people spend months trying to figure out this system, I'm going to show you their exact blueprint for success. We're talking about a complete system, one that actually works, not just a superficial tutorial on how to start a YouTube channel. And don't worry, this isn't just empty talk. I'm going to show you real results. So stay with me until the end of this video to see how you can implement this model. Now we are going to write 15 prompts to generate a picture similar to the one we sent. Just enter your command in ChatGPT. You can take a screenshot of any channel you want and add it to ChatGPT. Then write your desired command. ChatGPT will prepare everything for you in a few minutes. So try it now and see the result. Now go to the Animating AI website. The link to this site is in the video description. Just register for free and then click on the AI image generator option. Now enter all the prompts that ChatGPT has prepared for you, one by one, into this tool to automatically create your images. This method is fast, simple, and completely professional and helps you produce attractive images for your YouTube videos without the need for design skills. Try it now and see the result. Now go to the Clipfly AI site. The link to this site is in the video description. Just register for free and then click on the AI photo animator option. Click Get Started. Upload your images one by one. Choose your desired mode. Adjust the movement amplitude value. Choose the appropriate style. Finally, click Generate to create your video. Clipfly AI is a powerful artificial intelligence platform that makes video production simple and fast with advanced features. This tool has various features including automatic video editing, various and attractive effects, converting text to video, converting photos to video, and professional audio processing. Using this method, you can easily create professional videos for YouTube and produce attractive content without the need for technical skills. Try it now and see the result. Now log back into ChatGPT. This time, write a command for your video script, just like the prompts you use to generate the images. Just specify the general idea and style of your content, and ChatGPT will prepare a complete professional script for you in a matter of moments. Okay guys, now go to Pixabay. Go to the sound effects section and search for the sounds you need for your video. For example, if your video includes nature scenes, you can download the sound of seawater. If your video features animals, you can search for the sounds of cats, birds, or other animals. Pixabay is completely free and allows you to download and use a variety of sound effects without restrictions. By adding high-quality sounds, your video will become more professional and attractive. Professional video editing with CapCut, a way to create engaging content and make money, guys. Now it's time to edit your video. After logging into the app, click on New Project. Now import all the videos you created in the previous steps into the CapCut window. Also add the sound effects and background music you downloaded so that you can place them in the right place later. Step 2. Arrange the videos in the timeline. Now you need to place the videos in the CapCut timeline. This part is very important because you need to specify the order in which the videos will be displayed. To do this, drag and arrange each video to its appropriate place in the timeline. If you need to trim or remove extra parts, use the Trim or Split tool. If there is a part of the video that needs to be adjusted in speed, you can use the Speed option to make it faster or slower. Add effects and animations. This is where you can breathe life into your video. Editing raw video without effects will be lifeless and boring, but by adding effects, your video will look more attractive and professional. At this stage, click on each clip and select an appropriate entry and exit animation from the animation section. This will make the video smoother and more beautiful. Zoom in on some videos to emphasize certain details. Use visual effects, filters, adjustments to improve the color quality and lighting of the video. Add transitions to make the transition between clips smoother and more attractive. Add background music. Now it's time to add background music. Music has a huge impact on the feel and appeal of the video. I downloaded 2 background songs from YouTube's audio library. One for the beginning of the video that is exciting and attractive so that the viewer is attracted from the beginning. One for the end of the video that is calmer so that the end of the video gives the audience a good feeling. To add music, go to the audio section in CapCut, click Import and select the desired songs. Place the songs on the timeline and synchronize them with the video. If you need to adjust the volume, you can lower or raise the volume so that the original sound of the video can also be heard. Adding text and special effects. To make your video more professional and informative, you can add attractive text and special effects to it. At this stage, if you need to explain or show an important point in the video, use animated texts, motion texts. To emphasize a specific section, you can use lighting effects or highlights. You can also use graphic stickers and emojis to make the video more interesting. Final review and export the video. Now that everything is ready, check your video carefully once again. Are all the videos in their right places? Are the effects and animations applied correctly? Are the music and sound of the video in sync? If everything is correct, it's time to export the video. To do this, click Export. Set the video quality settings to 1080p or 4K for high quality. Save the video after processing is complete. Step 7. Upload and publish the video on social networks. Now that your video is ready, it's time to publish it on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and other platforms. YouTube. Choose a catchy video title and use the right keywords in the description. TikTok and Instagram. Use shorter versions of the video for these platforms to get more views. Facebook and Twitter. Publish the link to your YouTube video on these networks to attract more traffic. Last word, an easy way to make money from YouTube. Guys, this is one of the best and easiest ways to make money from YouTube. You don't need expensive equipment or professional video editing skills. All you need is a little effort, perseverance, and consistent content creation. If you follow this method and publish videos regularly, you will soon be able to make money on YouTube. Just start today. Now let's watch the final video together. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell to be notified of future videos. Until the next video, bye!